Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to permanently block pop-up ads in Windows 11. If you're using Windows 11 and you want to permanently block pop-up ads, so let's see how can you do that. You just have to simply go to Setting, display this window button or Start button, click on Settings, and now in Settings, the very first thing you just have to go to System and then go to Notifications. Here you can entirely disable all the notifications, or you can scroll down and go to additional settings, and here you have to disable both of these, especially the last one, which is get tips and suggestions when using Windows. So it is, you just have to disable this, and once you have disabled, just go back, and here the second step, you just have to go to privacy and security, then scroll down and look for diagnostics and feedback, click on this, and here you will see the option of send optional diagnostic data. We just have to disable this. And once you have disabled, now you have successfully blocked pop-up ads in your Windows 11. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.